2003 Buick Century on the passenger front. First thing you need to do is get the center cap off. The screwdriver bit slot right there and go from there. Next you need to get these off. Those are just held on by the plastic cap. They're 19mm, same size as the lug nuts. Okay, next up to remove is this thing right here, axle nut. Now, if you look online or call a parts store, they will tell you it's a 34mm socket. I bought a 34mm socket on Amazon and it was too small, so it was I got this at AutoZone yesterday as a 35mm socket. And if you don't have air tools like I do, you have to take this off by hand or at least break it loose first. So best to get that hubcap thing off, then knock it loose. But this thing will usually get it. Okay, I just got this tool. It's a brake caliper piston pusher back tool. Awesome. I believe this is for a single piston or double piston. This is a single piston, so it should still work. If I have to push it back another way, I'll show it. And by the way, I only removed the bottom caliper bolt, which is supposed to be right there. And I hung the caliper up here with this hook, so it can hang out on the spring. So I don't have to worry about it dangling and dropping and busting the brake line and giving myself more work to do. And all these fasteners, the caliper bracket bolts, the caliper bolt, they're all 15mm. Alright, now we're going to take out, just like the Impala I just did a couple weeks ago. There's 3 bolts, one down here, one over here, and one opposite side. And they're 13mm. So, see if we can get in there. Saw that this clamp tensioner for the boot, axle boot, was in the way. I didn't want to risk messing it up. Compressor might kick on. again, about the size of my finger. The Impala and this share the same part number for this. So, and the other bolt, he had one right across from it. Which I think this will be a little long. Yeah. Now, another reason I use the air ratchet because these have Loctite on them and the resistance is stupid. So this just makes quick work of that. Okay, what I was doing here, get a light. I took my ball peen hammer and I stuck it in there with the ball peen end in there. I took the sledge, knocked it. It broke the seal or whatever. So it shouldn't be too bad. I'll try and film this as I remove it this time. There. I see it. There we go. Whew. Son of a gun. Corrosion. Corrosion. Whew, I liked it there. Okay, now this new wheel bearing has ABS. The car does not have ABS. The wheel bearing with ABS, which was $89, is cheaper than a bearing without ABS, which was $99. So, to make this bearing without ABS, I'm going to fix it. I already checked, it does fit, so we're good. Alright, once again, clean the hub. I'm going to use this again. Okay, so I got smart. I took the disc off the die grinder, just shove it in here. I don't have any regular sandpaper, so this will work. I squirted some brake clean on it too. Let's see if it would help. Let's see if it helps clean up a little bit. Alright, new hub. Okay, hopefully this will work. Okay, now we're done with that little fiasco. I have a hard time getting the bolt starter on this side. I don't know why. So, we simply run it in. Neutrinos. At the top here, trickier to see, but if you've done this before, you know what it is. Let me switch up the extension real quick. Okay, that was the third one. They're all in. Want to make sure they're good and tight with a regular ratchet. And right back from the other view. Okay, this is another real quick thing here. Also came with the wheel bearing was this piece of paper. It was tied onto one of the eyes. But what this is torque specs for, looks like GM. Yeah, there are a lot of GM cars and trucks. Buick, Cadillac, Oldsmobile, all kinds of them. I can't get a good shot, so just trust me. Anyway, the axle nut torque on this is 118 foot-pounds. Now we did get the wheel bearing in. Everything is good. Here's a quick tip. You can put this lug nut on backwards. It'll hold the rotor when you're trying to put the brakes on. It'll hold it nice and solid too. Sorry if the camera's shaking, but it works very well. So that's the end. Leave comments, have questions, find me on YouTube. Later.